Discover the 5 biggest myths about solar energy. Welcome to doesnt Academy. Solar energy has grown rapidly in recent years, but there are still many myths and misunderstandings that stop people from making the switch. In this video, we'll uncover the 5 biggest myths about solar energy and reveal the real truth behind them. Let's get started. Myth 1. Solar only works in hot, sunny climates. One of the most common myths is that solar panels only work in places with lots of sunshine and high temperatures. People often think solar power is only for deserts or tropical countries. But here's the truth. Solar panels generate electricity from light, not heat. In fact, extremely hot weather can actually reduce their efficiency. Countries like Germany, the UK, and parts of Canada, places not known for year-round sun, still have thriving solar industries. What matters most is the total annual sunlight, not just daily sunshine hours. Even on cloudy days, panels can produce 10 to 25% of their rated output. And in colder temperatures, panels often perform better because heat can reduce electrical output. So solar isn't just for hot climates. It works in more places than you might expect. Myth 2. Solar panels are too expensive. Another widespread belief is that solar panels are unaffordable for the average person. People see the upfront costs and assume it's out of reach. But let's take a closer look. Yes, installing a full solar system can be a big investment upfront. However, prices have dropped more than 70% over the last decade, and there are now many ways to reduce costs, including tax incentives, rebates, grants, and financing options. In many places, you can install solar with no money down and start saving on your electricity bill right away. Plus, a good solar system can last 25 years or more and can pay for itself in 5 to 10 years, sometimes sooner. So while the upfront cost may seem high, the long-term savings and return on investment make solar much more affordable than most people think. Myth 3. Solar panels require too much maintenance. Some people avoid solar because they think it involves constant cleaning, maintenance, and technical problems. The truth is, solar panels are very low maintenance. They have no moving parts, which means fewer things can break. Most quality panels are built to withstand rain, wind, and even hail. In many areas, rain is enough to clean off dirt and dust naturally. You might want to clean your panels once or twice a year, especially if you live in a dusty, dry, or polluted area. But that's about it. Some systems include monitoring tools that alert you if performance drops. And most solar components come with warranties of 10 to 25 years. So maintenance is minimal, and problems are rare when you use good equipment and professional installers. Myth 4. Solar doesn't work during power outages. This one surprises a lot of people. You might assume that if the sun is shining, your solar panels will keep your home powered, even during a blackout. But in most cases, this is not true, unless you have battery storage. Here's why. Most solar systems are grid-tied. That means they're connected to your local power grid. When the grid goes down, your solar system automatically shuts off too. This is a safety feature to protect utility workers repairing power lines. If you want power during outages, you'll need to install a solar battery, such as a Tesla Powerwall or a similar product. Batteries allow your system to operate independently and provide backup power. So yes, solar can work during outages, but only if paired with battery storage. Myth 5. Solar panels will damage your roof. Some homeowners are afraid that installing solar panels will damage their roof or make it leak. But when done properly, solar panels can actually protect your roof. Professional installers use mounting systems designed not to harm your roof. They seal and weatherproof all penetration points to prevent leaks. And in fact, the panels act as a shield, protecting the part of the roof they cover from rain, sun, and wind. For added peace of mind, many installers offer warranties for both the panels and the roof work. If your roof is old or weak, it's smart to repair or replace it before going solar. But in most cases, solar improves your roof's lifespan, not the other way around. Recap, let's bust those myths. Myth: solar only works in hot, sunny climates. Truth: solar works in many regions, even cold or cloudy ones. Myth: solar is too expensive. Truth: costs have dropped and financing makes it accessible. Myth: solar requires too much maintenance. Truth: it's low maintenance and highly durable. Myth: solar doesn't work in blackouts. Truth: it can, with battery backup. Myth: solar damages your roof. Truth: it protects your roof when installed correctly. Thanks for watching doesnt Academy. If this helped clear up some common solar myths, please like, share, and subscribe for more honest and beginner-friendly solar content. And in the comments, let us know. Which of these myths did you believe before watching this video?